This is why differentials of late model vehicles never had the failure rate that new model vehicles have, and the sheer size of the differential is why. People could actually drive this past the advised maintenance intervals long ago because of the sheer size. How many quarts does this? 5 quarts of gear oil. Transfer case holds how much?
I believe 2. We're like 1 point something.
And then the front diff?
2 again.
2. The average cars we're servicing today are a half a quart.
0.9.
Not even a quart. This is why having a good mechanic advising you for their maintenance on your newer model vehicles sooner than the manufacturer will save you tons of money, keep you out of a car payment, and keep you out of the catastrophic failure area. Jude's the lube tech. So this is my homemade differential transmission tool, which is a power steering pump from a Honda, a large funnel, and some recycled parts. And we could speed fill trannies and differentials. This is the best. All the fluid that this differential stores is why this still has the same differential in here. And supposedly it's never been maintained.
And the fluid wasn't bad.
It's hard to ruin, you know, multiple quarts of oil, right? Because it can protect. And it doesn't get overheated like a half a quart or less than a quart in today's vehicles. And doing this with a little hand pump is a miserable job.
I killed myself.
Huh?
I killed myself.
We were doing it and I said, I can't do this anymore. It's either we buy a fancy system already made or you make one. I was like, yeah, I'm gonna make one. And probably if I put a bigger discharge hose on it, it'll probably be a little faster.
Because we still neck down.
Yeah. You think if I pull that out and hold my finger over it, would squirt like
Probably.
Like a
Don't
hose?
Do that. 'Cause I'd punch it.
you could probably use that for an oil pump on your car. Remote oil pump.
I don't need a remote oil pump.
Pump that oil up to the valve train for added lubrication in a closed system.
I think she smoked.
Belt driven. You just smoked my shit.
This is mine.
Oh. I'm glad you're blowing up your tools, not mine. Shouldn't be smoked. Snap-on quality. Made in China. Made in Iran. My arms are getting tired. You're taking too long here.
We're having some technical difficulties.
Is that 2 quarts?
This is the last quart, but we gotta put another one. We're not fully there yet, but my gun keeps falling down.
And it's crazy how the manufacturers say, yep, we're going to use the same differential and transfer case mileage intervals for fluid maintenance from systems that hold 4, 3, 2 quarts is the same as one that holds a half a quart. That just has catastrophic failure written all over it. That's it. She's dribbling out. All right, stop.
Are you sure?
100%. I mean, you want to put a little bit more in?
Put some more.
I would say that's good. Oh yeah, dude, that's definitely some serious oil pump pressure.